In this video, we will show you how to replace your front door speaker grille cover on this Ford F-150. This will be mounted to your inside door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To remove the speaker grille cover, we're going to start up in this area. For this job, it's going to be fairly simple using two basic tools, a small pocket screwdriver and a plastic trim tool. Now the grille cover itself has several locking tabs that we're going to have to pay attention to. The first one's located approximately an inch up along this area of the grille cover. So for this, I'm using my pocket screwdriver. I'm going to carefully make my way inside of this area, and we're exposing where that locking tab is located. If you need to, you can gently pry using your plastic trim tool. I'm just going to come right under this area. Now we're looking for our locking tab. It's right inside here. We'll just gently start prying that out and away. Now this is starting to separate. We'll just continue on down the line. There it is, friend. Now I'm using some glass cleaner on a clean rag. We'll make sure that we clean up the entire mating surface here. Double check to make sure nothing's damaged in any way. This looks good. Now it's time to install our speaker grille. Before bringing this over towards the door, let's just have a quick look along the back side. You can see several locking tabs, but there's also other areas that we want to pay attention to. You're going to find that you have two locating tabs. There's one up here along the top, and there's a second one down along the bottom. Let's start getting this in place. We're aligning each of the locking tabs with their corresponding ports on the door panel itself. As we bring this into position, we also need to align our locating tabs as well. We're going to start along the forward side here. We're just trying to align everything before locking it in. We have our alignment tabs. Just gently flex. You should be able to press them into position as well. Now we'll just go ahead and press this in. Listen for a click all the way around. Double check to make sure it's secure. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is open and close the door a couple times, confirming there's no odd noises from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.